In the realm of business and finance, accurate and efficient accounting practices are the bedrock of sound decision-making. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or simply curious about the financial engine that drives organizations, understanding the tools that power accounting is essential. Among the prominent software solutions in this landscape is Sage. But what exactly is Sage used for in accounting? Think of Sage as a comprehensive digital toolkit designed specifically for managing a business's financial health. It's not just a simple spreadsheet. It's a sophisticated system that helps businesses track income and expenses, manage invoices, process payroll, and generate insightful financial reports. In essence, Sage streamlines and automates many of the time-consuming and often complex tasks involved in accounting, freeing up businesses to focus on their core operations and strategic growth. At its heart, Sage serves as a central repository for all financial transactions. Imagine a well-organized filing cabinet, but instead of paper documents, it holds digital records of every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out. This meticulous record-keeping is fundamental to accounting, providing a clear and auditable trail of a business's financial activities. One of the primary uses of Sage is in managing accounts payable and accounts receivable. Accounts payable refers to the money a business owes to its suppliers and other creditors. Sage helps businesses track these outstanding bills, schedule payments, and ensure timely disbursements, fostering good relationships with vendors and avoiding late payment penalties. On the other hand, accounts receivable is the money owed to a business by its customers for goods or services provided. Sage assists in generating invoices, tracking payments received, and managing overdue accounts, ensuring a healthy cash flow for the business. Beyond simply tracking money in and out, Sage plays a crucial role in general ledger accounting. The general ledger is the backbone of any accounting system, providing a complete record of all financial transactions categorized into different accounts like assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Sage automates the process of posting transactions to the correct ledger accounts, ensuring accuracy and providing a comprehensive overview of the company's financial position. This information is vital for preparing financial statements and making informed business decisions. Another significant application of Sage is in payroll management. For businesses with employees, managing payroll can be a complex and time-sensitive task involving calculating wages, deducting taxes and other contributions, and ensuring timely payments. Sage offers payroll modules that automate these processes, simplifying payroll administration, ensuring compliance with regulations, and reducing the risk of errors. This not only saves administrative overhead, but also contributes to employee satisfaction by ensuring accurate and timely compensation. Furthermore, Sage empowers businesses with robust financial reporting capabilities. The software can generate a variety of reports, including balance sheets, income statements, also known as profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements. These reports provide one a snapshot of the company's financial health, highlighting its assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses over a specific period. These insights are invaluable for business owners and managers to assess performance, identify trends, make strategic decisions, and attract investors or secure loans. 1. Abalo.com. Abalo.com. Sage also often includes features for inventory management, particularly for businesses that deal with physical goods. This functionality allows businesses to track their inventory levels, monitor stock movements, and manage costs associated with holding inventory. Efficient inventory management is crucial for optimizing operations, avoiding stockouts or overstocking, and ultimately improving profitability. In addition to these core accounting functions, many Sage solutions offer integrated features for budgeting and forecasting. This allows businesses to create financial plans, track performance against those plans, and project future financial outcomes. Budgeting and forecasting are essential for setting financial goals, managing resources effectively, and anticipating potential challenges or opportunities. The beauty of Sage lies in its ability to integrate these various accounting functions into a single, cohesive system. This eliminates the need for manual data entry across multiple spreadsheets or disparate systems, reducing the risk of errors and saving valuable time. The centralized nature of Sage provides a holistic view of a business's financial activities, enabling better control and more informed decision-making.